Hello, my friend. Today we are going to make a pressure cooker. So let's see what do we have in our book. Well, this is going to be very exciting as we are going to do a drawing which is an object drawing. Yes, we have 4 shapes or 4 steps right here. We need to follow it and start making our pressure cooker. At first, let's make this flat oval like this. Once we are done with that, let's make standing lines on both the sides. After that, join it with a curved line. This is great. Let's start by making the top part. Start making the lid of it. Let's try and follow the steps so that we get the exact pressure cooker which is in our book. After that, make this curved line at the bottom. We need to be very careful while making these lines. At first, try and make a light drawing. So just in case if you make a mistake, you can erase it. If you notice, we are using a lot of cylinders in this drawing. Yes, this is going to be a perspective 3D drawing. It feels that our pressure cooker is kept a little diagonal, isn't it? So we need to achieve that look, for which we have to draw these parts angular. Draw it very carefully. That's very nice. Making these parts can be a little difficult, but don't you worry. Let's go step by step and complete the entire pressure cooker. If you're confident enough about your drawing, you can always make it darker and then make it fair. Yes, the whistle is very important. Hence, we are going to make the whistle properly. Go very slow while making this. You can erase the parts which you don't require. This looks amazing. Let's start sketching this now. Yes, before sketching, make sure that you get rid of all the overlapping parts, or else it might get difficult for you to understand which is the fair drawing and you might end up actually sketching the rough drawing. Let's start with the lid now. Let's complete the entire whistle in a similar way. And go very slow while sketching. That's amazing. Do the bottom part in a similar way. And then let's make the handle together. We need to be very careful while making this. This needs to have that 3D effect. Can we do this together? That's lovely. Go right on top of the pencil marks and try making straight lines without a scale. This is beautiful. Let's erase all our pencil marks. After sketching, wait for a few seconds before erasing, because if our sketch pen marks have still not dried, it is going to smudge. Let's start with a maroon color for this patch. Yes, this is going to have a little gradient. Hence, we are going to use different shades of maroon and red for this part. Maroon is going to be the darker shade and red is going to be the lighter shade. So at first, let's start by making this. Here, we are going to color in sleeping as well as standing line. After that, let's switch our color to red color and then start coloring this. It might not have an exact difference, but you will be able to see it with your naked eye that the left side is darker and the right side is a little lighter. Yes, we need to color it very nicely. Yes, we're going to do the outline at first and then color in one direction. For this, we can take a magenta color. It is completely alright if you do not have a similar shade mentioned in the book. You can try and test the colors which you have in your color box. It is advisable to color with oil pastels, as that is going to give us a beautiful effect. Let's color all these parts in a similar way. That's beautiful. Let's color this a little lighter at first. And then start by coloring this with a dark red color. And look, it gives us such a beautiful shade. This looks lovely. This looks interesting. Let's do the whistle now. We are going to take a grey color. You can try something on your own as well. Yes, we're going to give it a metallic effect with the help of dark grey color. And finally, let's do brown color on top. This looks interesting. And look, we are done with our pressure cooker.